Hello, hello. Welcome to Speak English Confidently podcast. And it's another week and another term and another phrase to be learned. And today we have our friends here that will be joining us. We have Arvin and Mom's Joanne. Thank you for your time. And guys, are you guys ready to learn?
Yes.
Yes.
Great. So our term for today is going to be head into the game. So guys, have you heard about this phrase before?
So,
No.
Okay, that's just fine and it's okay because today we're going to learn about it more on flowspeak.io. So, by the way, this is also downloadable through Google Play or Apple Store. Just look for Flow Speak. Okay, so let me share my screen so we can get to know more about this phrase. Are you guys seeing my screen?
yes.
Yes.
Great. Okay, so let's start and see what does this phrase means.
Head in the game. This is another phrase that came from sports, but can be used in various situations. It means to pay attention or to focus on something.
Okay, it means to pay attention or to focus on something. It may be important or not. Okay, so but most of the time you may be able to use this through work whenever you need to focus on your work. So, yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and try to practice this. And we will start with Arvin. Okay, you can say keep your head in the game or get your head in the game. Which one, whatever you choose. So I'll
Okay.
go ahead and tap to record your response. Let me know whenever you're ready.
Ready? Get your head in the game.
Okay. You have a you have a good score, and let's see more details about your score. Okay. Okay, it says here that you need to slow down a bit. Okay. That's something that you can work on, and we can go ahead and click on next, and we can proceed. All right, so nice. Your work partner is having trouble focusing on their task. Encourage them to redirect their attention. Let's see some examples for our responses. So, Ma'am Sean, it's your turn.
Uh, the casual.
Okay, the casual one. All right, so let me go ahead and tap to record your response and let me know whenever you're ready.
Ready.
Okay,
Hey man, get your head in the game and ignore the other stuff.
nice. I think you nailed that one. See, I told you. Oh, you have excellent.
Oh.
Okay, let's see. Let's click this for more details and okay. You can see here ignore. So there's also phonetic pronunciation that you can see so that you can improve the phrases or the words that you're speaking. So yeah, there oh, ignore. Okay, let me go ahead and start the next question. You're having a hard time getting started on a task. Wait, looks like me. Your coworkers ask how things are going. This is Jam. Okay, let me see some examples. Okay, I'm going to use professional one. Okay, let me tap on record. I'm having a little trouble keeping my head in the game. I think I always say this to Jam. Okay, all right, so
Wait, excellent.
excellent. Wow.
Mm.
Okay,
Wow.
so far it's all green, guys.
Oh.
Huh? How about grammatical errors? There's none because we just used the examples that we use, so there shouldn't be. And we're done. So make sure, guys, to practice this phrase whenever you had the chance. And do not forget to click down the link below and join our community. It's a safe space to learn English. We'll also include here the link for you to be able to download the application. That's it for today, guys, and goodbye. Thank you for joining us.
Bye.